gagawa ko ng tutorial na placket. Ito ngayon, panoorin nyo. And bago ang lahat, please subscribe and click
Ginagawa mo.
button all. The bell all. And don't skip my ads. And like din. Maraming salamat. Panoorin nyo ang aking tutorial na placket. Let's go!
mga ka-source ay gagawa ng placket pero hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan, kaya please comment down below. Thank you!
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on. Strange time, it's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey. You called, I let you in and four walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too evolved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close.
Yan mga ka-source. Lapit siya. Ang ganyan dito. Tapos ang tonis. Ganyan siya. Mga ka-source. Yun mga ka-source, yun lang ang aking kaganapan ngayon. Sa susunod ulit, sana packet na naman ang ano natin. Meron pa akong isang alam na placket na klase. Ito, ano to eh. Kumpal tubig yata to eh. Tapos meron pa isa yung sinasabi ng balot. Ano ba yun? Yung isa pa. Yan ako sa inyo. Sa next na lang video. Thank you. Please watching my video. And don't skip. Alhamdulillah. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Ng mga nag-aabang. May nag-aabang ba?
Oh my God!
Tsaka ano, yung mga nagsusubscribe sa akin, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Wala pa kasi nagpa-shoutout eh, kaya hindi ko pa, wala akong may sabi. Sana meron para magpapa-shoutout na sa akin. At yan, ano ko. Thank you. Bye-bye. Advance Merry Christmas. Thank you, thank you. Gee!
YouTuber?
Ang ganda! Ha?
YouTuber? YouTuber?
Yes. Ang ganda. May saging ditong pitit. Pitit banana.